This is the Dell Latitude laptop E5450. Today's case study. This laptop is no power issue. Let's check what ampere will be taken when we connect DC power supply. We on this DC power supply. This is a short dead laptop. Ampere voltage suddenly down and ampere is suddenly high when we on the DC supply. Check here. This is a short dead. This is called as short dead. Let's open and check. This Dell laptop is water damage. Very badly water goes inside. This is water damage of this laptop.
नाही त्यांना बोललो सरांशी बोलणं झालं सुजित सरांशी तर उद्यासाठी घेतलं ते कामाने.
Water damage, water going inside. Also near about the CPU side. There is also water damage. We have to replace this damaged components and check shorting is going or not. Thank you. This is our Dell water damage laptop. We replace these two MOSFETs. There is also shorting in capacitor. We clean this all section. Need to replace this diode also. And let's check what impedance is taken. We on this laptop taking 0.077 amp. Before this is a short board. We on this. After on, taking 500-700 milliamp, and display also coming in pen drive. You see the pen drive. There is also display, and this is a water damage Dell case study is complete. Now we have to pack the laptop. Thank you. This is a Dell water damage. We assembled in cabinet. Now last video we say the display in pen drive. Let's on it. Laptop in on. Taking amp and display is coming. Thank you.